Going back to my library, if I open my document, if I wanted to create another copy of this same document, I can open it, and from File, I can create a copy of the same document. I close this one. So it's made a copy of the exact same document. There is no save as in SharePoint. You create a copy of it, I can rename it, and I can now work with this as it is a brand new document. I can also look at my version history of this document. So if I open up my copy I just made, and I go to version history, this doesn't have the previous versions that the previous document had because this is a brand new copy. So when you create a copy, it takes the top layer only of that document. If you want to work with that document in your OneDrive from the whole document library, you can use the shortcuts to OneDrive option from the top menu. If you go to your OneDrive, the document library or the folder will be available for you to access. You must ensure that people don't start changing the names of files. You have to be careful when saving shortcuts to OneDrive, because if people start changing the names of these headings, you can then find that you can't access that particular area anymore. You can use the heading trail here for navigation too, just by clicking on it. Within a document library, I can also drag and drop. So when you're going through files, if you feel that something is in the wrong place, I can actually drag and drop and move that document into another area. I can do that by using the navigation trail. So I could drag this and put it back in the library. And it's moving my item. You cannot drag and drop between document libraries, but you can drag and drop within a document library, providing that you drop it in the right place, or you drop it in the wrong place and then have to move it. When you move, you're moving the whole thing, including all the layers of that document and all the versions. So when you move, it moves everything. I've moved that document now into calculations. So if you do a copy, it will not take all the version history with it. It will just copy the top layer, leaving the original as it is. When you're working with document libraries, you can download a document if you want to from here. This will go into your downloads area. Anything you then do to that document will be completely independent as it is outside of SharePoint. So you really should be working with a document in situ in SharePoint or working through your OneDrive to access those documents. Thank you for watching.